bring your attention to this moment. To do so, you may request your mind to inform your brain to send the signals down into your inner system to soften, to be present, to be aware. You may begin to come into your most comfortable position, whether that is laying down, seated, with a blanket or pillow, a chair, a support for your back or head. And invite in a gentle awareness, an awareness to the sounds outside of yourself, the sounds outside of the room, sounds that are further and further away. The most furthest away sound. And start to bring your attention closer and closer and closer to self. Maybe you notice the temperature, the felt sense of your support, the earth, the ground. Any sense of smell or taste, anything you may see, and the eyes are welcome to be heavy or closed. Awareness to your eyelids. An awareness to the back of your throat. An awareness to the tips of your toe, of your right foot. Awareness of your nostrils and breathing in and out of each nostril. Awareness to the back of your heart, your lower belly, the tip of your tongue, and the back of your head. Your whole body in space. The air in and around your whole body in space. Tingle sensation, a slight vibration on the edges of your skin. Attention to your breath, the natural rise and fall of each inhale and each exhale. That no matter what, you know how your body knows how to breathe. Aware of the whole right side of your body. alive, the energy on the whole right side of your body. Attention to the whole left side of your body. Aware, radiant energy, vibrant energy on the whole left side of your body. The whole right side of your body, the whole left side of your body, both sides of your body together. Breathing. Whole body, breathing your breath. Whole breath, breathing your body. Attuned to this moment, held and supported to move from doing into being, from supporting to being supported, held. The loving awareness in and around you. More openness, spaciousness, breathing into the crevices, the corners of your whole being. Receptive as the whole body breathes and opens. Contentment and perhaps calm to the infinite potential for your whole inner system, recalibrating back to a new homeostasis, aligned from your heart and body and mind. May you breathe up the whole right side of your body. Can you imagine breathing? Inhale the whole right side of your body and exhale out the whole left side. Imagine inhalation through the whole left side of your body and exhale out the whole right side of your body. Inhale up the right side to the top of your head and exhale out the left side. Inhale up through the left and exhale out the right. Inhale up through the right and exhale out the left, letting go. Noticing your breath. Notice and aware of your whole experience back to your natural essence. Deeper and deeper into self, a healthier level of body and mind. You are welcome to count back from 10 to 0. Saturated, filled, the loving awareness. And slowly beginning to awaken the muscles of your body. You may wiggle fingers and toes, or place your hands over your heart, attuning to your natural self-energy and essence, and a deep sense of appreciation for showing up for yourself and practicing with me. You may open the eyes, take a look at your surroundings, and continue to partake in the cumulative effects of mindful awareness or meditation and deep rest, to come back to this practice with consistency. You amaze me.